miles northeast of Hamlin, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nitro, Winfield, Jefferson, St. Albans, Harrigan, Boca, Alum Creek, Tornado, Taves Valley, Cross Lanes, Culloden, Bancroft, Sweetland, and Sod. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 32 and 49. Route 119 between mile markers 65 and 69. Culloden, Bancroft, Sweetland, and Sod. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 32 and 49. Route 119 between mile markers 65 and 69. Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Connaught County and Central West Virginia, Southern Putnam County in Western West Virginia, Northeastern Lincoln County in Central West Virginia, until 6:30 Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:06 Northeastern Lincoln County in Central West Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunder, 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Locations Winfield, Jefferson, St. Albans, Harrigan, Boca, Alum Creek, Tornado, Taves Valley, Cross Lanes, Culloden, Bancroft, Sweetland, and Sod. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 32 and 49. Route 119 between mile markers 65 and 69.
Darn, I forgot the WCHS.
69 degrees.